Welcome to our Shopify tutorial on how to add reviews to a Shopify store in 2024. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to install and customize product reviews, ensuring you build trust and boost conversions. Reviews are essential for any online business. They provide social proof, boost your SEO and help potential customers to make informed decisions. A product with review can significantly increase conversion rates. To add reviews, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Click apps and search for Judge.me. Judge.me is one of the best review apps available for Shopify. It offers unlimited review requests, customization, and allow you to display both text and photo reviews. Plus, it integrates easily into your store design. Once you have installed it, you should be able to do this little setup guide. It's going to ask for your language and which theme you would like to install it on. Press Start Setup. Once you have done that, it will ask you to enable the app. So just click the button here. It will open up the app embedded section. It will then turn on the Judge.me app. If it doesn't do that, you should just turn it on yourself manually. You also want to turn off any other apps that might interface with this, especially any other review apps. Once you have done that, go ahead and press save. The next thing is to install the review widget. Press this button here. It will automatically add the review widget. If you want to add it manually, go to anywhere on your product page, click the add blog button, then go over to app and you will find all your Judge.me widget here. The star widget is usually placed at the bottom of your product information, which doesn't look good. To move it, hold the widget and drag it to your preferred position. This way, there will be a star rating displayed prominently, which many stores have. Go ahead and save that and then we can go to the next step. Now, set up your branding. You can choose a color you like, such as I am selecting here sky blue and click continue. You can also set up automated review requests. This feature sends emails to customers asking for review after they receive their product. For domestic orders, you can choose when to send the email. I am setting it to 14 days for both domestic and international orders. Click finish to complete the setup. Next, click explore Judge.me. Now we are inside the main dashboard, which is very simple to use. The first thing you probably want to do is go to the manage review section. Inside here, we can add our reviews. First, we have all the review section, which shows all the reviews for all products. You can press import here and it will ask where you want to import your reviews from. You can import from the Judge.me format, Looks, Yotpo and other apps. They also have options for AliExpress, Amazon, etc. So here we are selecting Judge.me format, which is basically a CSV file. It's going to give us a form to upload the CSV. If you don't have one pre-made, you will need to get one. Go to the section that says need help. This article will show you the template. Open this template, make a copy of it and you can start editing. In this template, the title is title of the review, the body is the main text and the rating must be out of 5. Keep the date in specified format. You will also need to include the reviewer name, their email, the product URL and any pictures you want to add to the review. For pictures, you can upload them in the content section of Shopify. Go to the file section to upload a file. Once uploaded, copy the link and that will be the photo that show up in the review. You can generate as many reviews as you want. I'm also going to make sure that I change the product URL. I'm just going product page and I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste it on the product URL section here. There we go. And now I can actually go ahead and save this sheet. Once you have your sheet ready, you can save it in CSV, SLV or SLSX format. CSV is the easiest option, so I'm going to download it. Go back to manage reviews. Click on import review and scroll down. Now you can select the open wizard and then click and drag the CSV file here. After that, you can press import and your file will be imported. Now you can see the reviews details. Click on import and confirm the import. Then go back to the review dashboard. Now we can see all the reviews that were added. You can edit each review manually if you need it. Next, we have collect reviews or how to collect reviews here. Basically, they are going to automatically collect reviews 2 weeks after the order has been fulfilled. But you can change this schedule. We can press schedule request and go ahead and schedule requests for previous order or schedule manual requests via CSV file. This means it will send an email to customers asking them to give you a review. We also have the schedule reminder setting, allowing you to change the time frame and the number of days for reminders. You can also adjust settings for international orders and enable or disable delivery based requests, meaning that you can connect it with after ship. Once the order is delivered, it will prompt for a review. You have automatic reminder here and option for how many items per order to review. Next up, we have the email template. This is going to the template for the review. It's just going to be like, let us know what you think. I would recommend giving them a discount to be like, give us a review and get 10% off your order. You can just change the subject line, change the preview text, and you can just edit all of this very simple. You can look at it on mobile, desktop, and then you can translate it all over here. You have got your color and you have got your blocks here. So it's very easy to actually build this out. Once you are happy with that, we can go ahead and press save. Now over here we have our email settings. So we got the store name, the sender name, the emails, the forms, campaigns, and that kind of things there. Then we have the reviewer notifications, so they can reply. We can send them a reminder if we want to. We can send them Q&A notification, and we can send review confirmation emails. And that's it. Now you can go to the store and see how the reviews look on your product. And that's it. You have successfully installed and set up Judge.me to collect and display reviews on your Shopify store. With reviews in place, your store will build trust, improve customer engagement, and boost sales. If you need further assistance with Shopify website optimization or digital marketing strategies, reach out to MAQ Computer Services LLC. We are here to help your business thrive. Visit us maquae.com for more expert solutions. Thanks for watching and happy selling.